What's up guys, and welcome to this video where we're going to see how to sell a PLR product on your WordPress site. So let's just go ahead and start with this. So what we will need for this example is a PLR product. In this example I have an ebook plus a squeeze page, a sales letter usually included within the PLR, but for this example I just improvised one. Your WordPress site, of course, I'm using in this example this site here, and we will need also to take payments. We will need a Stripe account. Stripe account, we will use a free WordPress plugin called Simple Pay Lite to connect with Stripe and of course take payments straight to our account. Step number one, let's go ahead and show you the ebook or the report we are going to work with. Of course, this report was not like this. In the beginning I edited it and rebranded it. I remade the e-cover. There is another video where I explain exactly how to do the editing of the ebook and also the e-cover, so you can check in the description for the link for that video. But for now, let's just say that you already have the ebook rebranded. Next thing is the squeeze page and thank you page that comes with this bundle. Let me show you on this HTML editor. So this is the squeeze page that comes with the ebook. It's also rebranded, and this is the thank you page where they can download the ebook. So this is also rebranded. So I improvised this sales letter. I know it's not very good, but it's just for this example, and also the download page. So if someone buys what I'm offering, it will be redirected to this page to download the ebook and the squeeze page. Now the next thing that we need is the WordPress site. So we're going to use this one. This is the dashboard. So what we need to do with this with the website is create a new sales page for the product and a thank you page where the buyer will be able to download the ebook and the squeeze page. Also, as I told you earlier, we will be using Simple Pay Lite free WordPress plugin to make payment buttons. So we will get to this a little bit later, but now let's just go ahead and create the pages. So what I want to do is go to pages, add a new page, and I'm going to create a sales page on this WordPress site. So the title of the page will be, let's say, responsive email list. Responsive email list. So I'm just going to publish the page, and the idea is to copy the content of the sales letter I prepared into the WordPress page. So let's grab this headline and then take it to the WordPress, the new WordPress page, and put it here. So we will need, of course, to format the this. I like to use Tahoma. I like to make it heading 1 and then cut it a little bit. Let's do this, and let's do this. So for the image, I'm just going to click on Add Media, Upload Files, select the file, and then I will go right to the folder. So my eCover is here. Alright, insert and put it center. So let's update and then take a look at the page. View the page. Alright, so there is some work to be done here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to pause the video and copy everything and then come back. One quick second. Alright guys, so it's done. I took everything from the sales page that I prepared and put it into the WordPress page that I created, and it gave us this. And if we want to see the page on the website, it will be like this. So there's not lots of things to do, just copy and paste since you already have the sales page. You can see that I put here payment button and here also payment button. Here we will be putting the payment button. Later I will explain how to do this exactly. Now it looks like the sidebar is not very welcome here, so if I go, the good thing with this theme is that you can change the template of the page to full width, no sidebar. So if I update it, we will see what happens then. Okay, now no sidebar. The page looks cleaner. Okay, we will receive a payment button here and another one here. Alright, good. So now we are going to create the second page, which is of course the thank you page, the page where the customer will be redirected to download the file. So we go in here, pages, add new page, and then I will just name it thank you. Oh, sorry. Publish it. Is not much to put in this page. This is what I prepared. So I'll take the text here and put it here. So I like to Tahoma, center it, make it heading 1, maybe change the colors if you need to, and then I'll put the e-cover image that I already have here. Center it, and then I'll go get a download button. So I already have one here. The download. Right here. Alright, so select it, insert it, and now I have a download button here. Of course you need to link this button to the file the customer needs to download. And maybe we can add, please contact us if you need anything. So this is a good thing to put on a thank you page. The customer, if the customer needs to ask you something or needs your help, you have to put a link to the contact us page. Alright, good. So now we have our thank you page. We're going to take a look at it. So we can keep it like this, or make it full width like the other one. I might put something here at the beginning. I will insert something to put some space. Good. Center it, and yeah, full width, update. Now if I go back, refresh, here's the thank you page now. Yeah, this one needs to be a link where they contact us page, or just there is another link here. Okay, here is one very important thing about the thank you page. This thank you page needs to be published, but like visibility will be private. We don't need it to be indexed by the search engines, and we don't need it to appear on any menu on the website. So always make sure that it says visibility private, and then update it. What we need from this page later is only the URL, the permalink. The URL of this, we needed to give it to the SimplePay plugin. Okay, great. So let's recap. We have a PLR product. We have a folder for the e-covers, the report, Word and PDF, and we have the squeeze page and the download page that the customer will be getting. This is the folder, and of course the license. Now we have made the two pages, the sales page right here. We left a special place here for the payment button, which we will see a little bit later. We have the download page where the customer downloads the folder after the payment. This is a link to the contact us page. And also very important thing, you need to rebrand ebooks or the images that you get from PLR bundle. So now the last thing will be creating payment button on using the SimplePay Lite plugin, free plugin. Before we do that, if you like the video, I will be very glad if you subscribe to the channel, and thank you very much. Now we go to plugins and then add new, and then of course you type the name of the plugin here, SimplePay Lite, and then you will see it will appear. This is it. So you just click install, and then activate, and then you come to the plugin itself, go to settings. There will be a button here or a link to click in order to connect your Stripe account, and then you will be logging into Stripe and then coming back here automatically saying that the account is connected. Now the test mode needs to be disabled if you want to take real payments, but if you want to do some tests, you can just enable it. Now we're going to do add new in order to create a new button. So on the screen, if you want, let's say for example you want to sell this for $7. Payment success page is the page where the customer will be redirected in order to download his ebook. So I'm going to put redirect URL, but before that I need to grab the URL from the download page. One quick second, the page was thank you, so I'm going to click on view, but don't click, I I want to copy the link. Alright, once I copy the link, I just put it here. Alright, I can name my button. Let me name it test. And this URL is very important to put here. So you can create, and then you can check. This is what will appear on the button, pay with card. This is what will appear when the payment is processing. And here you can like choose the style of the button. I just keep it like this, blue. Now you can add the item description here. It's called responsive email list. That's the item description, and I will put a logo or an image. So I already have a few here, and if you require a billing address, no, we just keep it like that. And that's it. So now you have a button here, the short code. You can just take it, copy the short code, and then go back to, this is the sales page actually. I'm going to edit the page and then find the place where I put the payment button. So this is the first spot here. Control V, second spot, Control V, center it, update, and then we will go ahead and check the page in a few seconds. So view page, scroll down, I don't see it. Yeah, actually it's right here. It's a small button, but I don't know why it's not centered. But anyways, we will find a way to center it in the middle. But if I click on the payment button, it says please wait, and then now it's redirected to Stripe. The price is $7, and this is the logo and the name of the item. So somebody pays and it will be redirected to the download page. Alright guys, so I centered the button finally, and I left the other one at the bottom as it is. The important thing is that the button is working and the payment will be working. Here is a recap. Find the PLR product that is very good quality, and then work on it, rebrand it. You saw the ebook was completely rebranded, and then try to find the sales products with sales letters, so it will not be you will not have to write them yourself. Then come back to your WordPress, create the pages, the sales page and the download page, and then install Simple Pay Lite, create the button, and yeah, take it from there. Thank you very much for watching the video. Yeah, again, if you like it, please subscribe to my channel. I will be very glad, and see you on the next video.